Nice throw. Nice throw.
Can you get it? Somebody else grab that. Try to throw it to him.
Oh, he's running out of stem. Hold on.
Go around, yeah.
Try and get away. Go around. Look at how strong that is. There's a little whirlpool right there.
Oh, that might be better. There he goes.
Coming toward you. Let it go. Right. Grab it. You got
Good
it.
job.
Where do you want to pull over to this
Good job.
other bay?
Wherever.
You think you?
Just take that side.
Oh, grab it.
Don't worry about this.
Okay.
Wherever you can get to, don't matter to me.
He's on this side.
Whatever's safe for you.
His buddies are over there.
We've been watching this the whole time.
Hold on tight.
Hang
Hold
on.
on.
Where are the kayakers? Were they going out together? Okay, so they were going out together. I thought he was trying to push them.
Or you can pull me in and I'll get on.
Yeah, maybe we can do that.
That's a good idea.
Everybody move on down.
Just gotta buy a ticket now, $80. What's that? No boarding pass, he's not getting on.
Yay! Alright. They're over there.
You found that out, eh?
The worst.
Want to pass this paddle down?
Well, at least you had people on shore hollering to tell you what to do.
The canoe's over there.
Yeah.
Up there. Let me get my wife. It's probably the best beach anyways, isn't it? For you to close in,
Yeah.
Yeah, that is probably the best beach too. Look at that.
Put your paddle here.
Good God.
One of them.
Good taxi service
Now you
here.
know why they require the life vest.
Oh yeah, I'd be dead.
How long you been in the water?
Up there, that first rapid, the first one around the corner there. I don't care. I'm not having fun. If it gets calm, I can jump in and go.
I could probably get you.
Isn't it cold?
No.
On the freezing?
It'd be bad karma to drop you in the middle of the river.
Little line.
Yeah. We'll just drop you in the middle. That's funny.
We gotta beach it.
There we go.
Appreciate your help.
Wow.
Thank you, Mark.
We got your paddle here when you're
We
ready.
got a ramp right here. You can walk right
You
out
just
on.
throw that up on the shore if you want.
Go ahead, you can get it right on up. No, go up the front of the raft.
Okay.
God bless you.
Get back your raft.
Come on, Mark.
We're going to have a special memory of this trip.
There's his fearless friends. That's funny. Yeah. No, sorry.
Hi, Mark.
That's funny.
What impressed me the most is everybody's